Welcome to a lightning round about lightning rounds. We're going to be looking at each of these links on this page to see how I chose my links to create this lightning round as I'm showing you resources. My idea, my instructional delivery, engagement, and assessment was based upon the 5 tech pillars. I chose screencasting as my presentation or the instructional delivery. I chose engagement using a web conference if I were to do it totally virtual, or this will be done at the SUPSI conference with a live web roundtable. And then the assessment is quizzes and a Flipgrid. So let's take a look. Learning Innovations Going Higher Team. You can see the website and see how it was started as a collaborative between TAMU-CC and area school districts. And then we have our T-Test, ISTE Educator, and our alignments for standards. And our key standards we're going to be using are the domains and the ISTE Educator standards. Those are our direct standards. Our indirect standards will be the ISTE student standards and the Tech App TEKS. We also have the ISTE standards that you can always come to and open up and explore them further, mouse over, and learn more about them. We also have the virtual learning adaptation playlist. That's where I received my 3-2-1 strategy. Great strategies in there. The 5 tech pillars are the learning management system, web conferencing, screencasts, and so on. And you'll learn more about the lightning rounds in the Light website. You'll be able to see TPAC in a nutshell. You will learn or be able to take the quiz about lightning rounds until you score 100% on it. And then you have a Flipgrid here to give us your ideas. And we look forward to hearing your ideas. We also have a template for you to see and to be able to show you who all was involved. Thank you.